Hi guys, this is Kathy. I'm going to do a mukbang. Hope I said that right. But here's my plate. I'm having spaghetti. Uh, might look a little dry. Some people like it dry. I actually like mine a little bit more saucy. But yeah, and I usually have garlic toast, but of course today I'm having butter bread. I like the butter bread a lot better, but comment below and tell me, what do you like? Do you like butter bread with your spaghetti, or do you like the garlic toast? I like both. So yeah, let's get in. So I'm gonna try a channel mukbang story time, so that way I could tell you a little bit about my life and how things are and whatever you guys want to talk about. So let's dig in. I'm just ready to get this bread right in here. Sorry. Yeah, I actually made my spaghetti. It's simple. I made it with just a ground beef, and I love Prego. You guys can also comment below on that. What's your favorite spaghetti sauce? I know some people make their own spaghetti sauce too. I'm not that good yet. So if you want to comment below and also tell me what are some good things to add into your spaghetti, I would love to hear that. But mine's simple. Spaghetti, the noodles with the sauce, and some butter bread. Guess I better remove that hair. Yeah guys, so I've been waiting a while to start a video. I kept putting it off and putting it off. I know a lot of people probably do that. You just tell yourself you're not sure if it's the right time. I don't know if there is a right time. I know with me, it's not a right time because I put it off and put it off and put it off. And then I actually was going to call somebody on YouTube, and they had said, don't put it off. If you want to do a YouTube channel, do it today. So I said, you know what? I'm going to listen to what she said, and I'm going to try to do some spaghetti and see if you guys like my video. Also guys, I have some ice water. Yeah, but like I said, it took me a long time to really get my guts up to do a video, but I plan on doing plenty more. So I don't know, if you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. I'm going to keep going and going and going. I'm not going to keep setting goals and failing myself, because I know a lot of times that's something I do. You have to get that bite of butter bread. Yeah, and I want to do more foods. I want to go different places and try different things, because, I used to be a real bad picky eater. But it's weird because I love food. I love to eat. So I do wish that it had a little bit, not a little bit, actually a lot more sauce on it. Hope you guys can see it. But yeah, I like it with a lot more sauce. Sorry. But yeah, I'm used to it with more sauce. So, like I said, maybe you can tell me in the comments below how you do your spaghetti. Like I said, I'm new at this, so I could take all the help. I don't know if it's just me, but I know when I eat seafood, my nose tends to run. But sometimes when I eat, my nose just wants to start bothering me. It's like, get out the way, nose. Come on now. I'm trying to eat here. So yeah, like I said, it was just a simple, fry up some ground beef. And I don't use a lot of ground beef because I don't like a lot of meat in my spaghetti. But I love a lot of sauce. And I was actually trying to get ready for this video. And I think by the time I got to it, trying to set everything up, my sauce wasn't as saucy as it usually is. So I'm not too happy about that. But later down the line, if I make spaghetti, hopefully you guys leave some comments and it'll definitely be more saucy. I know that. But maybe I can add some more things besides just the 1 pound of ground beef, the Prego sauce, which I do get the one that has everything in it. Spaghetti, guys. I don't know who has a big fan of a spaghetti out there, but I love some spaghetti. So you guys see this? I'll definitely get the filming a lot better than how it is right now. Because I believe the plate should have been up a little bit more where you guys could see the plate as I'm eating it. So I'm sorry about that. Beginners. Yeah, and also just getting over a cold with this weather changing. It's not helping none either. Oh, guys, I'm getting full already. I better make sure I get on the ball with this and starve myself all day so I can talk to you guys and be able to put down some more food. I'm definitely waiting to hear from you guys to find out, because I know there's plenty of men and women out there who love cooking, and I want to hear from all of you. Tell me, what do you put in your spaghetti and what would you like to see me eat? So I can hopefully have some success, in this YouTube channel that I'm trying to build, because I've been wanting to do it for a while. And like I said, I always just put it off. You know, with me, everybody else comes first. I'll always put everybody else before me. So like, I guess it wouldn't hurt to take a few minutes and make a video. That'd be my me time. I wonder, have you guys ever heard of that? Have anybody ever told you that you needed me time? I've been told that here lately a lot. Kathy, you need some me time. I'm like, what is me time? I don't even know what that is. Me time? No. There's no such thing as me time for Kathy. So, guys, I'm getting really full. So I have to get used to this and do all this the right, hopefully. I mean, it was a big plate. It's not too much left on there. But like I said, it's also not exactly how I would have really liked it. Definitely needed more sauce. But yes, in the upcoming videos, there will be a lot of things I would like to talk about and share with you guys. But as of right now, I am full and I am ready to just close out the video and say I hope you like it. Subscribe, hit like, and leave a comment. Don't forget to let me know how you make your spaghetti. Also, let me know what would you like me to eat in some of my upcoming videos, so that way I can pick and choose what sounds so good, because I love to eat. Thank you.